We've gone for an automotive theme to most of our collection today. So here we have one of our renowned JCB socket sets. As you can imagine, they come in at a great price. I haven't got the price. All the individual bits, all the deep sockets. You'll see throughout the JCB brand this tire track marking, but everything is, branded correctly. It's all genuine JCB stuff, right down to, let's see if I can bring out a large socket. As you can see, a JCB 30mm socket. Everything is marked up in that way. It's not your usual rubbish stuff that you can see on the market and get cheap from, I'm not going to mention the sites, but something to do with a moo and a T, I'm not sure, but they all do these stuff. But this is genuine quality JCB, it makes sense for your automotive supplies.